an item was given a 15% discount and sold for 1,700 pesos. What was the original price? So dito, hindi na tayo magpapaligoy-ligoy pa. Meron lang tayong tatlong bagay na importante na dapat tandaan. So ang pinakauna, when there is an involvement of the original value, so yung original value natin is always equal to 100%. So palaging equal yan sa 100%. Pangalawa, what was happened to the original value? Is there an increase or a decrease? So dito, an item was given a 15% discount. So ibig sabihin, discount, there is a decrease from the original value. So there is a decrease of 15%. So dito, 100%, subtract lang natin yung 15% is equivalent to 85%. So 85% of the original price is equivalent to 1,700. So ang pangatlo natin na dapat na tandaan, palaging division, yung operation na ginagamit natin para makuha natin yung original value. So original price, original value ng kahit na ano sa word problem, palaging division yung operation natin na ginagamit. So dito, kukunin lang natin yung leftover natin na 1,700. So i-divide natin dito sa 85%. So itong 85% gawin natin decimal, move lang natin ng 2 beses yung decimal point. So magiging 0.85. So dito, i-move natin naman yung decimal point ng 2 beses para maging whole number yan. So dagdag tayo ng 2 zero. Kung ilan yung movement na ginawa natin, ganun din yung zero na idadagdag natin. So dito, 170 divide natin sa 85 is equal to 2. So meron tayong 3 zero. So ibig sabihin, 2,000 yung sagot natin.